How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I come to you with a quick update on my group build, or my buddy build, with Russell at Russell Model Cars, and we are both building the MPC 1960 Corvette, which is this one right here. Russell's making a drag car out of his, and then I'm doing the Sebring 24 Hours of Sebring Corvette, which I've showed y'all. But before I turn this around and show you what I've gotten done so far, I think this is update number 2. I want to thank all of my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. I appreciate your support, and you know, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe with everybody you know. Okay, let me turn this around here and show you what I've gotten done so far. Alright, this is the body. Let me pull it over here. Okay, as I showed you in the last one, I made where the gas, pour the gas in right there. I cut that out and made it. I gotta make me a gas cap for it. I put the decals on. There's still a few other things I gotta do to it, but I went ahead and put those decals on it because I'm gonna clear coat the body, and then I'm gonna try to do my chrome foil around that, and then that way the decals don't come up when I'm pulling the chrome foil up. Once I get it chrome foiled, then I'll put the rest of them on there that I'm gonna do, and I'll clear coat it again, and then I'll still have to paint underneath. You can see I already got the hood painted flat black underneath. I'm gonna paint the whole car flat black underneath there. Of course, you know, it being a fiberglass car, I just want it all be black underneath. But that's what I've gotten done on the body so far. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And this is the engine. That was exactly the way it's supposed to look, other than it's not exactly the correct air breather that showed in the pictures for the race car, but let me stop. There it is, focusing. But I've looked high and low and I can't find an air breather like that, so this air breather will have to do. Nobody will know anyway. I just told you. But yeah, there we go. Got it wired up. Alright, that's the engine. This is all I've gotten done on the chassis so far. I put an actual springs in there instead of the kit springs that it had. I didn't like the way those looked and everything, so I went ahead and just put some spring in there, which I'm not done with this. I put a little wash on that, but really don't have nothing done to the interior. There's the wheels. Here's one of them with the tire on it. I got a wash in it and everything. But other than that, that's all I've gotten done so far, Russell. So this is the end of part 2. Hopefully for too long I'll get you part 3. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.